Okay, we're installing the Logitech gaming software, so install. I'm just basically showing you how to install it on Windows 8. Okay. No. I accept. Install. Okay, I'll just pause the video and then wait for it to finish. Okay, as you could see, it's validating the install. Sorry this is taking so long, but anyways, I'll continue. Okay, now we're in the setup wizard. We take next. Okay, we have to wait while the setup sets down existing Logitech applications. Is now detecting all of your Logitech game controllers. This is when you turn the game controller on. Okay, Logitech Freedom 2.4, the device is ready. Now you have to collaborate it. Okay. Register later. Okay, finish. And that's pretty much it. Now the y-axis, select assignment. Okay, select the device, Freedom. Create new game profile. You basically could find the game. So you find the game you want to create on your PC. You can control basically how to set it up. You can control what keystroke is for each trigger and things like that. So that's basically the installation process for you guys.